Are 2 eggs a day healthy? 8 health benefits. While few studies have specifically determined the ideal number of eggs to consume daily, eating 1 to 2 eggs a day seems safe for healthy adults. However, if you have heart disease, high cholesterol, or diabetes, it's important to monitor your overall cholesterol and saturated fat intake. Consult with your doctor or a nutritionist to determine how many eggs per day are safe for you based on your health condition. What is the nutritional value of eggs? Despite their high cholesterol content, eggs can help manage overall cholesterol levels. They are highly nutritious and packed with the following nutrients: vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, D, E, and K, selenium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, folate, protein, and healthy fats. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all essential amino acids, and provide 13 vital vitamins and minerals, including choline, selenium, iron, and vitamins A, B12, D, and E. 8 potential health benefits of eating eggs every day. 1. Enhances brain health. Choline is an essential vitamin that your body cannot produce on its own and is crucial for brain development and function. According to the National Institutes of Health, choline is necessary for brain development, memory, metabolism, and mood regulation. A deficiency in choline can lead to memory loss and forgetfulness. Adult women typically need at least 425 milligrams of choline per day, while pregnant or nursing women may require up to 550 milligrams. Men should aim for 550 milligrams daily. One large, hard-boiled egg contains about 147 milligrams of choline, so consuming 2 eggs a day can meet your daily choline needs. 2. Protects the skin and eyes. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect eye health. Studies indicate that these antioxidants reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, lutein has anti-inflammatory properties and can help mitigate or prevent ultraviolet-induced damage from sun exposure. 3. Helps with weight management. Eggs provide protein and healthy fats that promote satiety and help prevent overeating. Multiple studies have shown that having eggs for breakfast can reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Additionally, egg whites are pure protein and are often considered the most bioavailable and digestible form of protein in the human diet. 4. May help regulate blood sugar levels. People with diabetes can include eggs in their diet because they are low in carbs and sugar but high in protein, which promotes satiety and reduces hunger. Research indicates that eating eggs for breakfast can boost energy levels, enhance metabolic activity, and regulate hormone production, which slows the rate at which food leaves the stomach. 5. Promotes heart health. Eggs are packed with nutrients that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Vitamins A, E, B2, B6, and B12 help widen blood vessels, potentially preventing cardiac issues such as atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arterial walls, and myocardial infarction, heart attack. Egg yolks contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help lower plasma triglyceride, fat, levels while maintaining overall cholesterol levels. HDL cholesterol counteracts the effects of LDL cholesterol by removing it from circulation, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. 6. Improves fertility. Eggs are a fertility superfood, providing essential nutrients for conception, including vitamins A, E, and B12, folate, selenium, and zinc. Research suggests that the omega-3 fatty acids in eggs can enhance female fertility. Additionally, the antioxidants in eggs can combat oxidative stress and improve sperm quality in males. Selenium, vitamin B12, and vitamin E work to reduce sperm DNA damage while boosting sperm count, motility, and morphology. 7. Boosts immunity. Vitamin E in eggs serves as an antioxidant, protecting cells from harmful chemicals and boosting immune function, which lowers the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Zinc also supports immune health by helping the body eliminate germs and viruses. 8. Good source of vitamin D. Vitamin D aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the gut and is crucial for bone health, immune function, and cell function. A deficiency in vitamin D has been associated with various health issues, including an increased risk of depression, fatigue, diabetes, and other disorders. According to the USDA, one egg contains 1 microgram of vitamin D, approximately 5% of the daily intake for most people. Eggs fortified with vitamin D provide sufficient amounts to help both adults and children meet their daily requirements. What precautions to take when eating eggs? While eggs are nutritious, the following individuals should consume them cautiously or opt for egg whites: elderly people, individuals with high blood pressure, and those with high cholesterol levels. Boiling eggs is considered the healthiest cooking method for eggs. Avoid frying eggs in oil as it can raise cholesterol levels, potentially transforming a nutritious meal into a less healthy option for your well-being. How many is too many eggs? There isn't a specific recommended number of eggs for a healthy diet. While there may be some health benefits associated with consuming eggs, further research is needed to determine the optimal daily intake. Eggs were previously viewed as potentially unhealthy due to concerns over high cholesterol and their link to heart problems. The high cholesterol content in egg yolks was the main reason for this perception. It was once believed that dietary cholesterol from eggs could raise blood cholesterol levels significantly, thereby increasing the risk of heart disease. However, research has demonstrated that eggs do not contribute to an increased risk of heart disease. Cholesterol in the body. Cholesterol is a fatty substance crucial for various bodily functions, including cell and hormone production, bile acid formation, and vitamin absorption. Research indicates that dietary cholesterol from foods has minimal impact on overall cholesterol levels in the body. The liver primarily produces cholesterol, and dietary intake plays a smaller role compared to factors like saturated fat consumption. Past beliefs about cholesterol's role in health have been clarified by recent research findings. Good and bad cholesterol levels. The circulation of cholesterol in the bloodstream is crucial for understanding its effects. Cholesterol is transported by either low-density lipoproteins, LDL, or high-density lipoproteins, HDL. HDL gathers cholesterol that is no longer needed, while LDL transports cholesterol to areas where it is required. Elevated levels of LDL cholesterol are typically considered unhealthy because they can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. HDL cholesterol is often viewed as beneficial because it helps remove cholesterol from the body. Recent insights into cholesterol metabolism have blurred the traditional understanding that high cholesterol levels are always detrimental. For instance, a recent review of studies found no significant link between dietary cholesterol intake and heart disease. However, frequent consumption of eggs has been associated with a higher incidence of heart disease in some studies. How much cholesterol do eggs contain? According to the American Heart Association, AHA, a large egg contains 186 milligrams of dietary cholesterol. The dietary guidelines for Americans advise people to limit their cholesterol intake while maintaining a balanced diet. Despite their cholesterol content, eggs do not significantly raise overall cholesterol levels. Egg whites, which contain no cholesterol, are often considered a healthier alternative. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.